You made it, not just to the end of the course, but to the beginning of what's next. Whether you're just getting started or ready to scale, you now have the mindset, tools, and systems to build a web design business that's profitable, flexible, and truly yours. Let's talk about what comes next and how to make this momentum stick. Step 1. Choose your next best action. You don't have to do it all at once. Pick one focus for the next 30 days. Land your first or next client. Define your niche and update your website. Build your first digital product. Launch a simple lead magnet. Document your systems and delegate one task. Action builds clarity. Clarity builds confidence. Step 2. Keep learning in public. What you've learned, share it. Post your takeaways on LinkedIn or Twitter. Write about your process. Share a win. Create a behind-the-scenes video. Start building your personal brand as you grow. Visibility creates opportunity. Step 3. Set up systems for sustainability. Revisit your SOPs, CRM, and automation stack. Build the backend that keeps your business running even when life gets busy. The goal isn't to work more, it's to work better, with tools and structure that give you space to create. Step 4. Surround yourself with support. Success isn't solo. Join a mastermind. Hire a coach. Connect with other creatives who get it. The fastest growth comes when you're in community, not just in your head. Step 5. Revisit your vision often. Business changes, you evolve. Revisit your long-term vision every quarter. What's working? What's not? What do you want more of or less of? How does your business support your life right now? You're the founder. You get to redefine success at every stage. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't need permission. You don't need a huge following. You just need a clear offer, consistent effort, and a commitment to your growth. You've done the hard part, starting. Now go build the business that supports the life you want.